She was just 6 years when I forced to leave the country. On that time, I had to make the hardest decision of my life, to leave her. She dreamed of being sooner. It seems a small hope, but this dream was impossible in the country like Afghanistan. In the country, there is no any gender equality. You cannot find any recreation center for women, and women were not allowed to swim.
I had heard a lot about Mahsa before she arrived, and it was pretty exciting when she came. She was just a little girl, 9, and extremely shy. Well, when she first arrived, of course, she had many new things to learn, and new school, and everything that was different and new. But one thing that she was determined that she wanted to do was to go swimming. And then later, her mom registered her for swimming at Sawmill Creek, and she started to take lessons there.
I've been teaching Mahsa since she was 9 years old. She's been a great student ever since she got here, and I've had a great time teaching her. We have plenty of different staff that speak different languages, which allows us to accommodate people of different cultures and different countries. The facility has helped so many people learn to swim and just created a safer environment for everyone. So I think it's a great thing for the entire community.
After 3 years apart from my mother, I felt so much joy when I finally saw her again in Canada. I remember walking closer to the pool and realizing how huge it was. At that moment, I was determined to chase my dream of becoming a swimmer.
So at Sawmill Creek Pool, our main source of programming and services is the pool that we have. It's a 25-meter, 6-lane pool. We offer a variety of different programs and activities, such as swimming lessons, lifeguard and certification courses, aquafit programs, drop-in lane swimming, public swims, and we also have a women's only swims on Friday nights. I think learning to swim is so important, especially in Canada. We have a lot of open water and lakes and rivers and ice, and skating and swimming are both really, really important pastimes for a lot of Canadians. And I think new Canadians really want to take part in that. and everything that Canada has to offer, and especially Ottawa. We've got the beautiful beaches and the rivers and the lakes and the canal that goes feeding on, and water safety is a really, really important part of that. So we really want to invite everyone to come in for swimming lessons or just to talk to one of the lifeguards or the staff about any water safety questions and concerns that they have so that we can keep our community safe.
Since she started swimming, her confidence has growing up. For me, it wasn't just about swimming. It was about breaking them down cultural barriers, growing confidence and understanding that she was able to achieving their goals. No matter what she had at the past, she left the past behind. Now she is excelling in school. She wants to be a pilot at future, and she is part of Air Cadets, and I'm so proud of her. I'm so thankful to City of Ottawa for giving my daughter this opportunity. It has changed her lives. Now, they're just refugee girl find their voice, their strength, and their place in the world. A place that welcomes them to dream big.